Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well. I am your Momita ma'am and I am again here to take your EVS class. Take out your EVS book and take one pencil with you. Your EVS book is Green World. Take out this book children and take one pencil. We were doing chapter number 4, Food for Health. We have already started this chapter. Today we will do the last part of this chapter. So what was there in the chapter? I will give a revision, then I will do the new portion. Okay? Plants, animals, human being, we all need food to stay alive. We all need food to grow, to fight disease, to get energy and to be active and healthy. Healthy food keeps us physically and mentally fit. There are different sources of food. What are the sources of food? We get food from plants and animals. We get fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses and spices from plants. And we get milk, egg, meat from animals. Some people eat food obtained from plants only. They are called vegetarians. Vegetarians do not eat meat, egg or fish. People who eat food obtained from both plants and animals are called non-vegetarians. So there are two types of people, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Who all are vegetarian? The vegetarians are those who eat food only from plants, obtained from plants only. They are called vegetarians, and non-vegetarians are, they eat both from plants as well as from the animals. They are called non-vegetarians. Okay. So, and the next thing is kinds of foods. There are different kinds of foods. Energy giving food, rice, wheat, potato, butter, ghee or other food containing sugar are called energy giving food, and we need energy to do work. Without food we will not get any energy. Others are bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food is pulse, cereal, milk, meat, egg, fish are called bodybuilding foods. They help us to grow and to make our body strong. Next is protective food. Foods like green leafy vegetables, tomatoes, oranges and apples protect the body from diseases. They are called protective foods. Milk is a complete food. It's very helpful for growth in children. It is a rich source of calcium. Calcium helps us to build strong and healthy bones and teeth. Some food can be eaten raw while others need to be cooked. Eating raw vegetables and fruits in the form of salad is good for health. Vegetables like lettuce, cucumber and tomatoes can be eaten raw. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking them. We must never overcook food because overcooking destroys the nutrients of the food. Next is water. Water is very important for good health. Water helps us to digest food. It rid of waste in the body and keep our skin healthy. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. So every day you have to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water children. Don't forget. Okay? Because water keeps our body and skin healthy. Good eating habits. Some good eating habits are also here. Let's see. Eat food at fixed times. Wash your hands before and after eating meals. Before eating, wash fruits, vegetables, pulses and properly. Neither eat too much nor eat too little. You have to eat the food in a proper portion. Okay? Chew food properly. Eat only fresh and healthy food. Do not talk while eating. Do not buy food from the street vendors, and eat a lot of green vegetables and fresh fruits. Variety of foods. India is a land of diversity and has a variety of dresses, languages and food. Have you ever tried North Indian or South Indian food? The food eaten in any area depends upon the crops and the geographical condition prevalent in that area. People living in areas around the coast eat a lot of fish as it is very easily available in the coastal area. Turn the page. All the students come from different backgrounds and bring different Kinds of food. We must try to share as much as we can and enjoy all kinds of food. We should respect the diversity of food habit. People of different age groups and need different food and even in different quantities. A very small children need milk or soft food such as pedigree in a small quantity. A growing child eats all kinds of foods in a greater quantity than a small baby. An adult needs a balanced diet that contains cereals, pulse and vegetables, and very old people need soft and easily digestible food. Today we will do from healthy food versus junk food. We know that we will do this topic today. We know that we should always eat healthy food. It keeps our body fit and help us to grow. We must try to keep away from junk food as it is not healthy and makes us sick. So, do not eat any junk food because it's not healthy and it can make you sick. Some examples of junk food that we daily see around us are chips, pizza, then burger, french fries, cold drinks, etc. And you all love eating all these things, I know children, but these are not good at all. You should not eat any junk food, okay? We should not make it a habit to eat junk food. We must carry healthy food in our tiffin too. You should carry a healthy food in your tiffin. So once again I am doing this. We know that we should always eat healthy food. It keeps our body fit and help us to grow. We must try to keep away from junk food as it is not healthy and makes us sick. Some examples of junk food that we daily see around us are chips, pizza, burger, french fries and cold drinks, etc. So, we should not make it a habit to eat junk food. We must carry healthy food in our tiffin too. Let's go over what was there in the chapter. A small gist. Plants, animals, human beings need food to stay alive. We get food from plants as well as animals. The three main types of foods are energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. There are three types of food, okay? First you underline these: plants, animals, human beings. We all need food to stay alive. We get food from plants as well as from animals. Third one is there are three main types of food are energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. Milk is a complete food. Water helps our body water helps us to digest our food and throw the waste out of our body. So, we have to drink regular basis water of 6 to 8 glasses of water regularly. We should respect the diversity of food habits. People of different age group need different food as in the different quantities. So, this was there in the chapter, children. You have to go to the chapter and just see what is there and give a thorough revision of this chapter. If you had any queries, you can ask. Next day, I will do the question answers. So, before that, you have to learn the chapter properly. Okay? So, next day, I will start the question answers. Take care of yourself, children. God bless you. Bye-bye.